Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer accounting codes with Avalara AvaTax, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Avalara account. Navigate to the AvaTax section on the dashboard. Select the settings menu from the side navigation bar. Look for the accounting codes option within the settings. Click on accounting codes to access the relevant page. Here, you will see a list of existing accounting codes. To transfer new codes, locate the Import option at the top of the page. Click on Import to open the Import wizard. Prepare your accounting codes in a CSV file format. Ensure that your CSV file follows the required template provided in Avalara. Upload your CSV file by dragging and dropping it into the upload area or by clicking to browse. After your file is uploaded, review the preview generated by the system. Check for any errors or discrepancies in the accounting codes displayed. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Next button. You will then be prompted to map the fields from your CSV to Avalara's format. Assign each field appropriately to match the service's requirements. Once the fields are mapped, click Continue to start the import process. Await confirmation that your import has been successfully completed. If any errors occur, resolve them by referring to the error report provided. After resolving any issues, you can attempt the import again. Once the transfer is complete, verify that the accounting codes are now listed. Make any necessary adjustments to the newly transferred codes. Finally, ensure that you perform a validation check to confirm accuracy. Your accounting codes will now be successfully transferred with Avalara AvaTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.